My name's Nathan Ormson. I'm one of the technical support engineers here at Cool Designs Limited. So this is Toshiba's DI Big system. It's a single fan, so it's more compact than the previous generation, which was a twin fan. It's also lighter and more compact. As you can see, the key features are listed here. So with the Toshiba large capacity DI Big, which is available in the 8 horsepower and 10 horsepower, this system is now 22% lower in volume and 19% lower in weight. It's a new single fan chassis with big capacity and high efficiency. The new DI Big is available and it's able to go up to 100 meters worth of pipe length. You can have up to 36 combinations of outdoors and indoors. It's a powerful operating system with high efficiency, and powerful operation and high efficiency in cooling range down to -20 and up to 46 degrees centigrade. So with the DI Big system, we've got a maximum of SEER of 6.3 and a SCOP of 3.8. So this is Toshiba's new DI Big unboxed. It's much smaller, much lighter and a single fan compact design. You get the installation manual along with other accessories, but included in this, you get the installation manual, you get the safety manual and some other refrigerant labels and product information sheets, which is great. Also included are some copper connections for the system, drain nipples, and also rubber bungs, which are used for the drain on the bottom of the system. So the main key features are that it's just so much smaller. Being much lighter, it's fantastic and easy to get from A to B from the van onto site. So with the DI Big, the system comes with smart features, one of which being is a snow cleaning function, when the snow can be blown out of the system without the compressor running. One of the other smart features which is available with the DI Big is a noise reduction, which comes in a 3-step 10 decibel reduction, which is best used at night time. With the Toshiba DI Big, you can connect this onto an AHU interface, which allows third-party coil interface. This would generally be used in clean and machine rooms. The new DI Big comes with a new heat exchanger, which is more compact in size and available to be used for higher operating ranges. The DI Big also comes with a new fan motor, which is larger in size. This is to help with the new heat exchanger. The new DI Big comes with a new fan motor assembly, which is larger than the previous generation. This is to help blow more air across the 3-row heat exchanger, which is also used in the system. This would generally be installed in light commercial spaces, small offices, and larger residential properties. So thank you for watching the video today. As you've seen, this is Toshiba's new DI Big system.